we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works, plus the 3 kids books. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And we know we still have open interest, and guys, we're definitely moving up. But we know we'll have a pullback, and then going towards the weekend, we'll move up. But we also know we have back next week, and we'll definitely get that pullback. Now, Ethereum, along with the altcoins, had a pullback, and now we're moving up. Like I stated, guys, it's all about supply and demand, and who controls that? That's right, the Fed. Now, guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have volume. We have Tether, which says now they have more exposure to Treasury bills as of June, which is very interesting. Also, we have USDC, and we have Circle comes out and says they want to become a crypto national bank. Now, guys, even though we have open interest, we have the Fed. Don't forget they did $900 billion on Friday, which lasts for 3 days. They're going to do another repo today, so we know we're going to have a pullback either tomorrow or Wednesday, and then we'll start moving back up, and then another pullback because we know about back. Now, make sure, guys, you're paying attention to Grayscale because they're increasing by billion or decreasing by billion. So, guys, make sure you're keeping your eye on Grayscale because it's definitely moving the market. Now, something interesting that happened, guys, is we had gold do a flash crash by $100. Now, guys, that let us know that the banks wanted to get it at a cheaper price because it went right back up. That is letting us know that something is about to happen, guys. We know this. We know the Fed is going to start tapering in fourth quarter, guys, and we know what is sound money. And guys, remember, I'm not your financial advisor, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But yes, guys, cryptos are moving up. But we know we get that pullback. So, guys, we do this every single month. Make sure you're staying focused. And then especially, we know that the stock market is going to get a 20% correction. And cryptos, like I stated, guys, we're going to get an 80%. Yes, the cream of the top is going to rise during that utility run. But remember, the Fed is controlling all of this. They pumped it with all this money in order to build the fourth industrial revolution. I know it's hard not to see that because a lot of times you get focused on just the money. Remember the mission. The mission is fourth industrial revolution, robots, algorithms, drones to replace humanity. Do not forget that. Now, getting over into a little crypto news, guys, we have Alchemy Pay to launch virtual crypto cards with Visa and Mastercard support. And we have Deutsche Telekom to store Celo tokens on Coinbase Custody. Of course, that's Andreessen, my guy. We have Solana launches cross-chain wormhole to move assets to Ethereum, Binance Chain, Luna, Solana. So guys, we know interoperability is very, very important when it comes to cryptos. Now we have FTX CEO says KYC tools can minimize hassle for U.S. crypto market. And guys, we know the reason why KYC is so important, because they want to see everything you do so they can tax everything you do. Instead of saying this economy is going to be imaginary, it's nothing going to be but an illusion, guys. You're going to be putting 8 to 16 hours working for digital money. It's not even going to be real physical money. This current system that we're in is nothing but an illusion. But when we go digital, you're going to be working for digits. Shouldn't be any taxes in the first place. Yes, the crypto teacher told you, but they're going to make sure they get every dime. We're going to be in a virtual world paying taxes. It makes no sense whatsoever. Guys, they are moving around digits. I need for you to understand that. If you have my New World Order book, you understand. Taxes are for corporations. If you are an individual, you should not be paying taxes because your labor is an equal exchange. But the fact is, of course, they came in and changed that. Corporations don't pay any taxes, but the slave pays all the taxes. And remember, the crypto teacher told you. Now we have the new Brazilian Bitcoin ETF pledges carbon neutrality. And guys, we know with the C word, with the climate change agenda, they're riding the technology right behind it and it's working like a masterpiece. When I tell you this thing is working, it is working because the people are distracted, but they have no clue. The fourth industrial revolution is riding behind it. By the time they wake up, the robot is delivering their goods. Now we have Standard Chartered's Zodia to offer a crypto brokerage to institutional investors in Ireland. So remember, guys, when it comes to crypto, this is a global agenda. And lastly, guys, we have a blockchain-based digital art installation to launch on Vancouver Bridge on Kusama's network. And guys, this combines physical and digital realities with blockchain technology. And guys, we know it's coming. Augmented reality is definitely the future. And I've said it on many occasions, Facebook is the perfect platform to bring the masses over. This virtual world is going to become a reality. Remember, television is your reality and your life is an illusion. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, the new video comes out today, guys. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, got their own stocks of C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home getting free money and waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.